Welcome to our final presentation of the Construction Management course Fall 24. This project summarizes the key learnings on the planning, management, and execution of construction projects, covering theoretical concepts and practical experience from site visits. We learn how to integrate planning, regulations, project progress analysis, and the development of a business. What is construction management? Construction management combines planning, organization, direction, and control to ensure a project's success. Its objective is to meet deadlines, budgets, and quality standards. This discipline covers everything from resource management to real time problem solving, integrating engineering technical aspects with leadership skills. The administrative cycle consists of 6 steps: planning, organization, direction, execution, monitoring, and continuous improvement. All these steps are essential for proper project management.
In the same way, we developed a company called Hydrotech, where our focus was on designing resilient architectural solutions for communities vulnerable to hydrometeorological disasters. Additionally, we created the mission, vision, and objective of the company. The mission primarily revolves around what we do, why we exist, and for what purpose we exist. Here we define our value proposition, what sets us apart from other competitors, and the sum of everything we offer is the different point of our company. Both the mission and vision are stated in the present tense, and in the mission we present our value proposition, and in the vision we outline the company's aspiration for the future, our aspirational dream, how the company envisions itself and in the future and its sphere of impact. Similarly, our objective is to build resilient communities against hydrometeorological disasters through architecture, design, and technology. We also developed the company's guiding values, such as collaboration, innovation, adaptability, resilience, and social responsibility. These values serve as pillars for the company's actions in the medium and long term. We created a horizontal organizational chart that illustrates the internal structure of the organization and graphically shows how the company's roles are divided. At the top, we have the CEO, who is the general director, and the CFO, who is the finance director. Then we have the different departments into which the company is divided. In this case, we have operations, sales, administration, and human capital, along with the branches with each department. Thus, we identified 8 types of organizational structures: functional, matrix, horizontal, vertical, divisional, mixed, and team based. As a company, we created a portfolio of services divided into 3 areas: risk analysis and predictive modeling, architectural design consulting, and simulation and modeling in virtual reality. This portfolio helps us to showcase our capabilities and what we can offer to our clients. In the second half of this semester, during the second term, we studied the administrative development of a company. We analyzed the various types of permits required for construction and their specific requirements. Here are the different construction permits: alignment and official number, land use, and major construction permit. The alignment and official number determines the property and places the official plaque on the front, with cost depending on the linear meters facing the road. The land use permit classifies areas into residential, commercial, industrial, and public spaces. And finally, the major construction license is mandatory for constructions or expansions over the 50.1 square meter, valid for up to 36 months, and applicable to structures like fences and swimming pools. Additionally, we have 3 other permits, like minor construction permit, completion of work, and license extension. The minor construction permit is for small projects like roof repairs, fences, and cisterns, and does not require complicated forms. The completion of work ensures that the property can be used and without this document, related procedures cannot proceed. Lastly, license extensions provide additional time to complete work according to local regulations, adapting to the needs of each project.
Bidding and construction contests. We also study bidding and construction contests, learning how to prepare tender documents, analyze technical and financial proposals, and draft opening and closing reports. This ensures transparency and proper contractor selection for project tenders. First, we have license procedures. Here we define budgets, technical specifications, and evaluation criteria for contests. Then we have opening acts that ensure transparency in the participant selection progress. And finally, we have proposal reviews, where we analyze costs, timelines, and the technical feasibility of contestants. During the third period, we realized a project progress control. Here, in a simulated project, we work with a fixed price contract of 5,785,095 and 55 Mexican pesos, with an estimated duration of 10 weeks and a 35% upfront payment. We created a scenario with a planned work schedule, analyzing the costs per task for preliminaries, foundation, structure, masonry, and finishes, distributed weekly, cumulatively, and by percentage to ensure proper project execution. The planned progress represents the ideal scenario to meet contract timelines based on a theoretical allocation of resources and activities by task percentage. Conversely, the actual progress reflects executed work and deviations from the original plan. The following was identified in the actual progress: delays in the foundation and structure tasks, causing a 2-week setback. This delay extended the project's total duration to 13 weeks instead of 10, directly impacting subsequent tasks like masonry and finishes. We analyzed two estimation scenarios, weekly and percentage based. Both helped adjust cash flow and resource planning. Finally, an estimated progress was prepared with amortization, broken down similarly to the plan and actual progress. The estimated progress allowed financial and scheduling adjustments. Two scenarios were simulated, but here we are going to present just scenario 1. Weekly estimates. The 35% upfront payment of 2,024,769.25 Mexican pesos was evenly amortized over the project's 10 weeks. Weekly distributions were proportional to each other and to the task's progress, optimizing cash flow. We can see this in this table, where all the lines are evenly distributed during the 10-week duration of the construction.
To enhance our portfolio, we took several courses provided by the Bancomex classroom. These courses helped us learn fundamental management and leadership concepts, such as negotiation, financial statement analysis, budgeting, and time management, among others. These courses provided a more theoretical perspective on administration with clear and actionable steps. Also, using materials provided by the Mexican Chamber of the Construction Industry, CMIC for its acronym in Spanish, we created 8 infographics that highlight the importance of supervision in construction. This also helped us understand the roles of superintendents, basic plumbing concepts, and construction specifications. This enriched our knowledge of construction processes.
During site visits, we explored notable projects such as Cascata, a residential house in the Minsory stage, CATSA, a concrete plan when we learn about the quantification and filling of concrete of transportation to construction sites, Helea Tower, a spiral-shaped design project with innovative material placement techniques, Andesa Tower, a robust foundation project utilizing 153 deep piles to ensure stability. At this concrete plant, we also learn about the importance of additives, quality control tests such as slump and compression resistance. This visit connects us with the technical and operational reality of the construction industry.
Conclusion: this course provides comprehensive vision of construction management, from theory to practice. It allows us to understand how to plan, organize, and control projects with a technical and regulatory focus. Efficient management integrates regulations, planning, and control to ensure quality and compliance. Simulations and practical site visits reinforce theoretical learning, connecting us with the real-world industry challenge. Tools like offered by CMIC and Bancomext, complement and professionalize our training. Finally, our recommendations: 1. Use specialized software to optimize project scheduling and control. 2. Incorporate sustainable practices into design and construction. And 3. Strengthen leadership and decision making skills. Thank you.